Hello guys, welcome to Top 10 Cricket. We all know MS Dhoni is one of the greatest wicketkeeper cricket has ever seen. But when it comes to stumping, there seems to be no match for MS Dhoni. He has hardly missed any chance of getting a batsman out, whether it be stumping or caught behind. So, in this video, we have compiled 10 amazing lightning fast stumpings by MS Dhoni. So sit back and enjoy the whole video, and you will surely know why Matthew Wade said this.
Not Dhoni, not quick enough, not Dhoni.
Number 10. Dhoni stumps Matt Pryor.
Oh, beautifully done. Beautifully done. This is a fine delivery, but the wicket-keeper has made it look even better. This is high-quality keeping and a wonderful ball. Two came in, one just leaving the batsman. Fantastic piece of cricket.
Well, after some very poor overs for India, this is just the sort of thing they wanted. Excellent ball from Ganguly. Pryor on the walk. Dhoni showed in this series already how good he is behind the stumps with the stumpings. Excellent.
Number 9. Dhoni stumps Paul.
Well, the option, Dhoni thinks he's got the man, and the man is walking. Dhoni smiles back, Jadeja still wondering whether he's got a wicket or not. Is out. Let's have a look at this in terms of his reaction time. 0-8, that's how quick his hands are.
Number 8. Dhoni stumps Parvez Mahroof.
Oh, that could be tight. Not with the head from Hariharan, but he's still gone for the third umpire. But I just get the feeling he might be out.
Yet again, the ball pitched right on the correct spot, making Mahroof stretch right forward, losing his balance as he played, and that looked certainly as if he couldn't get his foot back. His foot was in the air, and Mahroof, in fact, feels he's out. Yes, he's gone.
A great delivery again, Murli Karthik. He's picked up yet another wicket. Mahroof, the man dismissed.
Number 7. Dhoni stumps Michael Clarke.
Oh, brilliantly done. Absolutely stunning effort from MS Dhoni. It can't get better than this.
Steve Bucknell was signalled wide, but he can still be out stumped, and that's what's happened. Let's have a close look at this. Falls out, tries to get his foot back, and he's just short of the line there. Is the bail lifted? Looks so.
The back leg was on the line, and the line belongs to the umpire, as they say. We all wait. Out is the call from the third umpire as well.
Number 6. Dhoni stumps Brad Hogg.
Yeah, he likes it. He likes it. He's calling for it, Steve Buckner. MS Dhoni is absolutely convinced.
As he overbalanced. Good take, off in a flash, and he's gone. He's gone.
Pretty good decision. Yep, Roger's got to go.
Number 5. Dhoni stumps Brad Haddin.
Oh, it's out. Is it? No, I don't think it is it? Yes, it is. Out to LBW. Now, Anil Kumble has that test match wicket. 85 overs since his last one. Will it open the floodgates?
Very well bowled. It was the googly, bowling it slower through the air, deceived the batsman. Brad Haddin, smart glove work from Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Not very easy, and it comes in between the bat and pad. He is jumping for joy. He knows the importance of this wicket. He'll be a different bowler altogether. Haddin gone for 17, Australia 426 for 6.
Number 4. Dhoni stumps Mahela Jayawardene.
He's got the ball to turn, and I think Dhoni's got his man. Judging from the body language, the batsman has walked off. Jayawardene probably committed the cardinal sin of dragging his foot while playing a defensive shot.
What a way to start. A pure spinner's delight. He's gone for all his money. It's a great stumping from Dhoni, and the red light comes on.
Wonderfully bowled. He's got a little bit of spin, so we were right about it. Terrific stumping.
79 for 4.
Number 3, Dhoni stumps Dwayne Bravo.
Oh, that could be gone. That could be gone. Is it dropped one ball, gone the next? Yeah, I think that's it. I think that's the end of Bravo. He's walking off.
Well, he's walking. This is a huge wicket. There, slide with the front foot. And you see that's out on the line, as we know, is out. Is he coming? I think he knows it. I really do. Yeah, he did. He was all the way back pretty much to the edge of the ground. Here the rope.
Number 2, Dhoni stumps Rangana Herat.
Big appeal for stumping. That's going to be close. Umpire Nero from square leg asks for the assistance of the television replay.
Cycle Pure Agarbatti, third umpire decision, and it'll go to India. The bat was still up in the air. He lost his balance, Rangana Herat, and MS Dhoni was keen enough, clever enough, smart enough to know what was happening. Read the script to perfection. Smart piece of keeping. OUT's got to be out. And another one bites the dust.
Number 1, Dhoni stumps George Bailey.
Oh, beautifully bowled. Is a shout, a confident shout. Is there a wicket? It looks like there is. Bailey's uncertain. Yeah, looks fine. Let's have a look now. Where's he gone? Brilliant piece of work by the Indian captain, getting those bowls off quickly. We talked about the impact that George Bailey has had against India in ODI cricket, averaging just short of 100. And today, he's gone for 23. Critical wicket to expose Australia's middle order that hasn't had a lot of time in the middle. So have India with this wicket got back into the...